your girl Shani, and today we're going to be doing vegan pizza. Now, my friend recently tried the Trader Joe's brand of mozzarella shreds, and when I saw this post, I was like, you know what? Maybe I should give it a try. Now, there's one critique I have about all vegan cheeses that I've tried thus far, and that is they just feel very waxy to me, and they feel like they're getting stuck on my teeth and stuck all on my tongue, and it's just not a good feeling. So with that being said, today we'll find out if the Trader Joe's brand of vegan mozzarella shreds feels waxy or not, if it tastes good or not, and if it melts or not. So if you're interested, I highly recommend that you stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is put a little oil in our pan, get it nice and hot, and we're going to brown our Gardein beef crumbles, or whatever type of beef crumbles that you have. And of course you want to add some seasoning to your beef crumbles so they have some flavor. Once those are done, we can go ahead and move on to assembling our pizza. So what you want to do is take your pizza dough and then go ahead and add your sauce and your toppings as well as your cheese to your pizza. For my toppings, I decided to add green peppers, onions, mushrooms, the beef crumbles, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Once you've assembled your pizza, it's ready for the oven. Yes, look at this melted cheese. Come through, Trader Joe's cheese. Yes. Hey good people, so the verdict is in. Does the Trader Joe's vegan mozzarella shreds melt? Yes. Does the mozzarella shreds taste good? For the most part, it actually does have a pretty good flavor. Is it waxy? Yes, it is waxy. Now, it's not as waxy as some of the other cheeses, like Daya is like to the extreme on the waxy feeling to me. But it's not as bad. I feel like if I add a little cheese and not as much as I did in the video, that I think I'll be okay. But if you put as much as I did in the video, then definitely expect to have a lot of waxy feeling. But overall, I think I would give this cheese another try. Like I said, I would just add a little less. And so if you guys decide to try this, let me know what you guys think down in the comments section below. And if there are any other cheeses out there that melt very well, taste good, and aren't waxy, let me know, and then I'll do another video. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. subscribe down below. And I'll see you on the next video.